them calling out on 2-2. I don't know if anyone's monitoring that right now.
Roger, switching to 2-2, thank you.
What's up, everyone? How you doing today? Hope you're having a beautiful Saturday. You already know what we're doing. We're going out on the boat, and it's looking like another beautiful day here in sunny Florida. We're gonna go out to Egmont. Not quite sure if you can go ashore there yet. We heard it was closed, but we usually just anchor and we don't go to shore there, so no big deal. Should be nice and flat. We're gonna probably cross the bay and go under the Skyway. It's gonna be awesome. Not sure where we're gonna put in yet. Sometimes we like to kind of see how we feel when we get out there, because last week we went, or was it last week, we went to Fort De Soto, and that is not quite ready for prime time yet. I'm not sure if we'll be using that one again for a while until they get some more repairs done, unless the weather, you know, the chop forces us to use Fort De Soto. But I think we're gonna be putting in somewhere in St. Pete, and we'll see you out there on the water.
You guys know we're working on our own e-commerce brand here, Island Time Towel Companies. We've mentioned it a little bit, but these are the towels that we use out on the boat. I just sent these off to get our towels, our first round of towels, professionally photographed. Then I gotta start working on the website. So I gotta do an e-commerce website. I gotta start building all that stuff out. I've done this before, so we're gonna do it again. So if you guys wanna know a little bit more about the Island Towels, leave us a comment. And we'll probably do here in the near future, we'll do a giveaway. So we'll give out some towels to people.
Yeah.
So, all right, that's enough yapping, but we gotta get to it. So see you out in the water.
Peace.
We're making a little pit stop. We were just going under the Skyway Bridge. We noticed a whole bunch of traffic up there.
A small vessel.
A civilian vessel has recovered a person in the water. So the Skyway Bridge, someone probably just jumped. This is a place where they actually put up some security stuff. We thought it was an accident at first because of all the traffic, but they probably just parked their car maybe right in the street or something.
They're letting people go now through though.
So we saw some ambulance, our Florida Highway
we
Patrol.
saw Ceto.
Ceto was hauling over. Ceto is way off in the distance there between those two little round things. But most likely someone just jumped. This is a place where people.
Coast Guard small boat, Weatherbird 2.
This is the Coast Guard small boat on channel 16.
I think I might have heard them calling out on 2-2. I don't know if anyone's monitoring that right now.
Roger, switching to 2-2, thank you.
Usually people do this at night. It's like the middle of the day. This is just crazy.
It's an eerie feeling. So sad. I don't know. That kind of looks like that could. No, that's not a car. I don't know. So I hear more of those sirens and stuff. So all right, we're gonna get back to it. So I just want to give you guys this update here, let you know what was going on. Normally we're just kind of cruising here, having a good time. And all right, so there's Fort De Soto over there. Egmont's over. Oh, Egmont's straight ahead. Cool. All right, so Egmont's off in the distance. We're gonna get on it, people. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold. How fast are you going?
About 20, 25.
Oh, it felt like you're going like 50.
No, I wasn't.
It's cold. It is cold. If we had a little sun, that would help. All right, so we're pulling to Egmont. We got a cat. We got a whole bunch of boats. So we're gonna shimmy our way right up in here. Is that where you're going, Cap?
Right, straight ahead.
All right. So we're gonna shimmy it up there. There's a bunch of boats. All right, all right, all right. Oh, they got the grill. Oh, those are the people from last year. Remember, because I talked to him.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. He made that homemade grill thing. We still about 3 foot?
2.6.
Okay.
There's nobody around.
Yeah, nobody around, so we'll just do this, just one anchor here, and we'll tilt around. Yeah, Egmont. So there's still a lot of garbage on, and that's what I heard, that from the hurricanes, a bunch of stuff, stuff was washed on shore. Like the recycling containers and stuff, and all that. So, oh man.
You get a picture of you?
Like this?
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Cool. You gonna put that on Facebook?
Yeah.
All right. I'm trying to update the social medias. The social medias, is that what they call it? The social medias?
Yeah, the socials.
The socials. So, all right. So, we're here. We're just kind of, I just need a hot tub.
Supervisors, the ATV Chris Rhino is outbound Egmont Channel. Be outbound for C. The Chris Rhino.
Okay. So yeah, we just need a hot tub. Oh, that cat is nice. Yeah, that's that'd be nice. All right, cool. So we made it to Egmont. They said it was closed, but I mean, I see people on shore, so I guess the listeners are going to come and tell you to go.
Well, I mean, if they don't enforce it, then...
Yeah, if they don't enforce it, then you're, no real rule, I guess. So, but not super busy, but I did see the boat over there. I've seen them last year where I went up to them and I was talking to them because he made this little grill thing on his boat, which was really cool. So he had that going. But it is cold, so we are going to relax. Hopefully that sun comes out. Yeah, come on out, son. Because we need some heat. Shoot. All right. So we're gonna chill. Talk to you guys in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and start heading on. We're gonna start heading on back to Fort De Soto. So meet you all over there. So we made it to the cut, aka our Friday spots. It's still cold though. I am still cold and windy. This was definitely not the day we expected. Not the day we expected.
Not the day we expected. We thought it was going to be sunny. Nope. Thought it was going to be glass. Nope. And there was a lot of marine activity.
Normally it's pretty quiet, but today, for whatever reason, there's just a lot of activity.
Yeah.
And I'm freezing.
It's cold.
Broadcast notice Mariner, South Sarasota, Sticky Point Bridge, repair operations, switch was to channel 22 Alpha, 157.1.
That was another security.
Yeah, she says that was Sarasota's Sticky Point Bridge.
Today we heard all kinds of stuff.
Today we heard all kinds of stuff for sure. So, not the day we expected.
Not at all.
Yeah, day in the water is good, but it's cold. It is definitely cold today. I was hoping for more sun.
It was sunny this morning. When we open the video, you'll see I was standing out at the pool and it was
looking good.
Sunny. It felt good in the sun, but then the sun went away.
It's no joke.
It's a little breezy.
Well, what is the temperature out? Was what, 70 or something?
Right now?
Yeah, what's it say?
Let me see. 66.
Oh, it is 66.
It's
cold. Oh, 66.
66, babe! What are you doing out here? Let's go!
All right, folks, hope you enjoyed this video.
All stations. Customer sector same peak. Time 14:35. Local 19:35 during peak time. Customer receiver 4 with 911 hang up. Process 4.5 nautical miles west of Shell Key. In approximate GPS position 2740.356 north, 8249.8. 92 west. All vessels in the area are requested to keep a sharp lookout. Assist if possible and report all sightings to the Coast Guard Channel 16.
Shoot, another one.
Out.
911 hang up. It said 911 hang up. Not the day we expected.
All right, folks, so that's it. We're gonna pack it up, pack it in. Let me begin. We're out of here. Peace.
Can I tell you that?